guys, welcome back. So we're gonna do gel X today and the removal. So we're gonna do the removal first, obviously. So I'm just removing the polish and debulking at the same time using my 4X drill bit, and I'm thinning them down as much as I can. And then after this, we're gonna go ahead and soak them off. So now we're gonna cut the nails off and soak them after this. So we're gonna go ahead and start our prep process. It's just the same as any other prep that you do for your nails. I push the cuticles back and remove the dead skin, and you know, it's just the same if you're doing a manicure or anything like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the shine from the natural nails using our sanding band on low speed. And I'm just doing this as gentle as I can, but getting in those little nooks and crevices and taking removing every shine on the natural nails. So now we're gonna go ahead and scrub her nails using our swipe solution. I talk about this all the time. And then we're gonna go ahead and prime her nails as well. And then prepare our nail tips, our Gel X nail tips. So I'm using my all-time favorite primer from Young Nails. It's their Protein Bond, and I use it for everything, like for gel manicures, acrylics, luminary, Gel X, everything. And I told them that I commented on their TikTok, and I told them that I'm having chipping problems. Like, I don't know if you guys remember from my last video when I did the airbrush, like my polish was chipping. So I asked them what I should do, and they said, they commented back, they're so sweet, and they said to use their Protein Bond, apply it on the acrylic, and then you go ahead and apply your polish, your gel polish. Okay, so now I'm preparing my nail tips and my light. So I'm measuring the perfect size, and this is my smallest, I believe. So I had to like file it off camera, the size, but you'll see where I filed it, and it's perfect. And I'm making sure that everything looks good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply. I use this brush with acetone, and I just rub it inside the nail because they're not pre-prepped, or like they're not buffed inside. So that's another trick I saw on TikTok that I'm trying out. Then I'm using my luminary to apply, to use as my gel. And I'm not applying gel on their natural nails and coming back with gel on the Gel X. I'm not doing that. Some people do. You can if you want to. I just prefer not to. So you go ahead and apply just a little bit on the tip, and then you go and just cure it. We're gonna run that back or do the other nail and show you guys a better or explain it to you guys in a better way. So we measure, grab our nail tips, and this one is perfect, so I'm not gonna, or is it? I don't know if I fixed it off camera. I did. Okay, so it's not perfect. From my angle, it's perfect. But yeah, so I had to file it, and then I prepped my nail tips by buffing the inside using acetone. Such an easy trick. Then you apply like literally a thin coat all over it where you buffed it like this. And then you apply just a little bit on the end, like not a lot at all. And then you just place it not so like into the cuticle, but just a little bit off, and then you go ahead and cure it. And that's how I do my Gel X. So just a few things I want to mention. You can use any base coat. If you don't have luminary, you can use a base coat, like a regular base coat. And then another thing, when you're applying it on the nail, you want to carefully push it down. This is obviously sped up, so you want to carefully push it down onto the nail, so there's no bubbles at all, because that will cause problems in the future. Like this, I'm just slowly kind of buffing it, or not buffing, pressing it in, and then I let them cure it in the light for a full 60, and then I move on to the other hand. And then, you know, when it comes to Gel X, you don't just like grab your nail tips and your base coat and then you just pop it on. Like, there's a few more, you have to take the extra steps to make them look right. I know it's extra work, but so you get the best results. You guys, I am so mad right now. I cannot find the video. I don't think I recorded the part where I sealed the cuticle area and shaped and all that stuff. So anyways, I did shape the nails to my client's preference, and she wanted short square nails, and I did drill around the cuticle just as I would with acrylics. That's just an extra step that I like to do. So now I'm just applying the gel base coat, and again, you can use gel base coat when you're applying the Gel X. I just prefer Luminary because the retention is just amazing and out of this world, and I just love Luminary. But anyways, you can use this. I could have used this again, but I don't want to. So now I'm just applying this to the Gel X to apply as a base coat before I apply my colors. And again, you just have to, take a few extra steps for your clients, even though Gel X is supposed to be just quick and, you just pop them on and you're good to go. Just take those extra steps for your clients and they will really appreciate it. Okay, so now we're gonna do our colors. We are using our airbrush today. She wants an ombre on her ring finger and red on the nails, or on the rest of the nails. So I learned my lesson last time. You guys should watch my last video, the airbrush fail. I didn't know how to do it, so now I watched some TikTok videos and YouTube videos, and they poured it in their dapping dish and mix it in there before they put it in the airbrush thingy. So that's what I'm doing. I'm learning. And we use this color. So I'm putting more into the dapping dish and then mixing it and then putting it in my airbrush. So now I'm just applying this color as a nude base, and I literally didn't mean to put it on all of her nails. I was just supposed to put it as the ombre part, as the base for her ombre, but I'm just so forgetful that I applied it on all of her nails. So yeah, this was an error. So we're gonna go ahead and use our airbrush. Here I'm noticing that it's literally not giving, like it's giving nude on nude, and you can kind of see the pink, but I was like, okay, we gotta figure that out later. So I just went ahead and painted the rest of her nails red. And I just want to point out, this is so off topic, but some clients just want regular average nails. They don't have to be super drazzle dazzle, bim boom booyah, whatever. Just let them have the nails that they want, whether it's as simple as nude, square, or whatever. It's okay. Take those clients. It doesn't have to be all crazy all the time. So I just want to point that out there. And I remembered why I put the nude base on all of her nails, because I was thinking of my nails. I was thinking that we're going to do the same as my nails, because she wanted the design on my nails, but just on her ring finger. So I was so off track. So yeah. But you know what? It's such a good mistake, because look at the coverage of this nail. Like, I love this red. I'm so obsessed. So again, the ombre was not ombreing, so I added a little bit more pink, just a hint of like hot pink. I mixed the colors together and it's giving, like, look at this, that's cute. And then she just wanted the hearts that I have on my nails right at this moment, like the swirl hearts. So yeah, so thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned till the end of this video to see the final results, and I will see you guys in the next video.